Hi everyone, it's Stephanie Weaver here in the Blue and Yellow Kitchen in San Diego, California with Microwave Boy on the camera and Daisy standing around waiting to see if something's going to fall on the floor. This is the last episode of this 5-part series on bulk cooking, and I just wanted to show you what I made today, which was a Saturday, and yes, it did take about 6 hours altogether off and on, so way more than I would normally do on a Saturday for sure. But we have moussaka, and I'm probably going to put about half of this in the freezer, half in the fridge. We've got 2 really nice portions of the Swedish IKEA Swedish meatballs with the cream gravy. So one of those will go in the freezer, one will go in the fridge. We've got Ina Garten's roast chicken, which just came out of the oven. And I'm noting that the garlic that was stuffed inside, I was expecting it to be like super soft, and it's actually not. So I am actually thinking, since my oven is still going to be on for a while, I may wrap that up in foil and properly roast that so I can use that as a spread, because I really hate to waste a whole entire clove of garlic. I've got some extra cream gravy sauce, which I probably am going to put in the freezer to make the sauce for a chicken pot pie. So some of this chicken I'll dice up. That will go in the freezer, and then at some point when I feel like making pastry and having the oven on again, I will probably dice up some of these cooked carrots, some of the cooked celery, some of the cooked potato, and make up a nice pot pie with that. This is the leftover jus from the meatballs. Not a lot of fat on there, but I'll probably skim the fat off and then just put that in with any time I'm needing some broth. We've got 3 egg whites left over from something. Oh yeah, from the bechamel. So those will be Microwave Boy's breakfast tomorrow, because he normally has 2 eggs, so tomorrow he'll have 3 egg whites. And then this is the very last little bit of that coconut cream, so it's kind of like the coconut juice, coconut milk. That'll be my breakfast smoothie tomorrow, part of my breakfast smoothie. So I just wanted to show you kind of when, and then so we will eat, so he loves the dark meat, I like the white meat, so we will eat the chicken. Once the chicken is completely free of meat, all of those bones will go in that bone bag in the freezer, and that will make my next batch of chicken stock. So the only thing that's really going to be thrown away from this is the thyme and the lemon, and then everything else will be, eaten or turned into something else. So that's kind of what bulk cooking looks like at our house on a Saturday that unfortunately was unseasonably warm, so it wasn't the best day to have the oven on for most of the day. But now we're all finished. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Please stay well, take care of yourselves and your family, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.